these are abandoned trains from years ago. Well, let's see what's the history. That's our jeep. It's far of us on a tour. So yeah. Oh, there's a little market. Recycling facilities.
This is the train cemetery. I'm gonna tell why we call it train cemetery. But the reason why we have the machines here is because Uyuni is the first place where we had the train service in Bolivia. After the Pacific War, we lost access to the port.
This seems to be a very popular spot for pictures. It's very touristy. So the information we found out about this place is that it used to be the first kind of transport links between Bolivia and other places, because after war they lost their port access, which is now in Chile, and it used to be, I believe, even before COVID, for commercial passengers, connecting them with like Chile and other parts of Bolivia, but now it's only for kind of cargo. I don't think it's this specific place, but like just railway tracks in this area in Uyuni. It's pretty cool though. It's like abandoned trains, everybody taking lots of pictures. Yeah, so we spent about half an hour here. Now we were told the plan is to go and pick some lunch up, and then initial plan was to go and see museum, but because it's quite touristy, we will actually go to the island to see I think salt flats, and then we'll do the museum later on, so to avoid crowds. Also, this place is at 3,700 meters, which is quite high altitude wise. Luckily we are both fine. We haven't suffered. I did have a little headache yesterday, but I think that is because of just traveling. Well, who knows. Yeah, little cool place. Going to find bathroom now. Seeing some llamas here. Hey, look at that. Come here. Oh yeah. Uno.
Oh, Quechua. Yeah, they speak Quechua. So.
So in this place, Mr. Juanito does it manually, all these sculptures.
Okay, this is